Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix NVIDIA GeForce experience not opening issue. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to restart NVIDIA services. For that you need to press Windows R and then type services.msc and then hit OK. Once it's done, please scroll down. Over there you may see NVIDIA display container. Please right click it and restart it and just enter into the properties and make it as automatic, and the status is running, so it's good to go to apply and then click OK. So the same you need to do for the NVIDIA frame view. Over here you may see it's stopped, so you need to start it. The status should always be in running condition, so click OK. Yeah, so our second step is to end NVIDIA process. So for that you need to enter into the task manager, then right click the NVIDIA and end task it. So third step is to delete NVIDIA cache files. So for that you need to press Windows R and then type % local app data % / NVIDIA Corporation and then enter into the shared store. Over there please delete the file. So once it's done, again we need to press Windows R and then type % program data % / NVIDIA Corporation. Yeah, over there you need to pick the file, crash dump and delete it. So our fourth step is to check Windows update. So for that you need to enter into your settings and then Windows update and then please click check for update. If it shows any error, please check out my video to troubleshoot it. So our fifth step is to repair system files. So for that you need to enter into the CMD command prompt as run as administrator mode and then please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there, and be some patient to wait on it. It will take at least 5 to 10 minutes. It needs to load from 0 to 100. Yeah, once it's done you need to copy the second prompt and paste it in the CMD, and the same you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It's need to be load from 0 to 100. Yeah, once it's done, please check out the status and type exit to exit from the command prompt. Yeah, so it's successfully completed. So our last step is to restart your PC, and I hope they enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. So thank you for watching. For more, subscribe to the video. Bye bye.